Good day everyone. So last time I taught you how to normalize a table. Okay, so we broke TBL student old structure into its new structure. So we have so as a result of the normalization process, we have four tables here: TBL college, TBL course, TBL major, and TBL student old structure. So I will rename this one to TBL student new. Okay, okay. So let's view the design of this one. Okay, so here, so we have college ID, course ID, and major ID as our foreign keys. Okay, so this time we will create a relationship, but I will just show you first how is our QRY students here. So design view. So as you can see here, okay, there are no symbols. Okay, like one to many or yes, one to many here and one to many, and also this one from TBL major is which is one and then many. Okay, in TBL student new. Okay, so to do that, we will create relationships, okay, between these tables. So how to do that? Just go to database tools. So I will just close this one. Okay, just go to database tools and click relationships here. Okay, and then we are going to choose what tables are we going to add, okay, in our um, relationships. Okay, so click, so we will choose TBL college, TBL course, TBL major, and TBL student new. Sorry, this table here, tables here. Okay, so there are four tables to be added. Okay, so I will close this table, show table dialog, and then okay, so you can also rearrange this, okay, these tables. Okay, so I am going to connect or to create a relationship between TBL college and TBL student new. So you can drag key from TBL college from primary key to foreign key, or from foreign key to primary key. Okay, so I will drag this one, TBL college ID to college ID in TBL student new. So you can see here, okay, TBL college ID, and TBL student new college ID. Okay, so you can see the type of relationship here. Okay, so relationship type is one to many, because we are going to connect primary key, which is one, and foreign key many. Okay, so I will try not to click or not to check this enforce referential integrity here. I will create without checking this one. Okay, so makita nyo dito, wala pa rin siyang symbol. Ibig sabihin, you can insert any foreign key here. I will save this relationship. Okay, so na-save na siya. So I will close this one, and then I will go to TBL student new, and then I will insert another record. That's 20-1 2 3 4 6 7. Okay, Magay, Earl, Gio, and then 0201 2014 City, and then Lasam, Cagayan. Okay, so in here I can insert like even 100. Okay, and then I will insert here correct value. Okay, like 1, and then 1 also here. Okay, so the table will still accept 100. Okay, because we did not enforce the referential integrity in our relationship. So I will close the table and we'll go back to the database tools. Okay, and then relationships again. Okay, so here, okay, wala siyang symbol. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya na-enforce yung ating referential integrity. So, I will click. Okay, I will click this relationship here, the line, and then press delete to delete the relationship. So, yes, and then I will connect again. Okay, and then enforce referential integrity. Pero, since we added or we use 100 in our table, ayaw niya pa rin yan. Okay, meron siyang error. I will show you. I will click create and let's read the error here. Okay, so data in the table student new violates referential integrity rules. Ibig sabihin, wala daw kasi tayong record, wala yung nilagay nating record sa ating TBL student new, hindi nag-exist doon sa ating TBL college. Okay, so we are going to edit the data. Okay, so I will close this one and then I will go back to TBL student new and I will change this one. Okay, I will put value here and then I will change this to the correct value 1. So let's check TBL college, either 1 or 2. So I will choose 1. Okay, so this is CICS 1. So I will close my table and then we will go back to the relationships. Now let's connect. Okay, we're going to connect this one from TBL college to TBL student new college ID and then enforce referential integrity. Yan, meron na siyang symbol 1 and then the infinite symbol 1 to many. Okay, and then also with the TBL course here. Okay, and then once you connect this one in a different foreign key, magkakaroon siya ng error. Okay, kasi wala daw nag-exist na major ID na ganun doon sa course ID kasi talagang hindi sila pareho. Okay, so it should be major ID to major ID since we designed our table to be like this. Okay, the major ID should be connected to the major ID. So let's click enforce referential integrity. Okay, so now let's see our table. Control S. And then now we will go back to let's go back to table student new. Okay, in here. So since we have established our relationship, okay, you can no longer insert any foreign key, any value in your foreign key if they don't exist. Okay, if they don't exist in our primary table. So lahat dapat ng value na ilalagay dito ay meron doon sa ating primary table na TBL course at college course and TBL major. So if you will add here like 3, since there is no 3 in TBL college, okay, so sasabihin yan, you cannot add or change a record because a related record is required in TBL college. So wala daw kasing 3 doon sa TBL college. Okay, if you once you established your relationship, okay, na-establish mo na rin yung consistency and integrity of data sa ating database. Okay, so ayaw niya. Hindi ka basta-basta pwede maglagay ng kahit anong value na hindi naman nag-exist. So I will choose 1. Okay, 1. So here is 1 and 2 lang. Yun lang dapat yung pwede pagpilian na college. If you want to use another college, then just add college here. Okay, so if you want to add CIT, okay, and then college of industrial technology, yan, you can freely add, okay, because we have already eliminated the different types of anomalies. Okay, so you can add here 3 if you want 3. Okay, you can add 3 here. Okay, I will just save this. Now, in our QRY students here, okay, kanina wala siyang symbol yung ating mga relationship. So dito meron na siyang relationship. Nag-update na siya. Okay, nag-update na siya. Okay? Automatic na siya nag-update. Okay. Now, in TBL student table new, okay? Dito, okay? If you will modify a record, dapat lahat pa rin ng record na ilalagay mo dito, okay, ay galing pa rin sa kanilang primary table. Since course ID, okay, we have here 1 and 2, yun lang dapat yung pwede ilagay dito. Okay, so nagkakaroon na siya ng consistency of data na dapat ang nandito ay nandun din sa primary table. So magiging consistent yung ating data, which is one of the advantages of using database, okay, or the database approach. Okay, so always remember, lahat ng laman ng ating foreign keys, okay, dapat ay matatagpuan sa ating primary tables. Okay, so dito, okay, kung saan yung kanilang mga primary key. Okay, so that's how you create relationship between tables. Just go to database tools and then relationships. Okay, so if you want to add more table here or more tables, just right click and then show table. Okay, and then you can add another table. Okay, since table subject has not been used or has not been linked in other table, okay lang naman nandito siya. Okay, pero wala siyang significant kasi wala naman siyang relationship sa ibang table. Okay, it's okay if you put it here. Okay, but since there's no relationship between other tables, so you can just delete this one. So just click delete. Okay, just press delete. Okay, so let's see our relationship. So as you can see here, so one to many, if you will connect a primary key to a foreign key, it will create, okay, it will form a one to many relationship. Okay, so but if you connect primary key to primary key, okay, it will create or it will form a one to one relationship. Okay, but usually, okay, madalas naman na one to many ang ginagawang relationships. Okay, so there, meron ng na-establish na relationship ang ating TBL College, TBL Course, TBL Major, and TBL Student New. Okay, so if you view students here, okay, so nandito na siya. Okay, so in reality talaga, you have to design your table. After designing your table, you create the relationship, okay, and then your database will be ready for operation. It means you are going to deploy it and you can now add records. Okay, so hindi yung mag-add ka muna bago gawin yung design or gawin yung kanilang relationship, kundi you have to design, you have to create the design. Okay, you design your database, you develop your database, and then you add records in your tables. Okay, so I hope you have learned something in this session, and thank you for watching.